Hi friends, welcome to Cat Africa Afro Patience here again. Let me share with you a little tip on how to make any lipstick matte. You manage to buy lipsticks that have too much shimmer and shine, and later you realize they're not good in you, or those particular colors are hardly found in matte lipstick. I personally don't like that shimmery kind of look in me, and here I'm about to share with you how to turn any glossy lipstick you have instantly into a beautiful matte finish, so you no longer have to throw out any of them. Okay, so the first thing you want to do before you wear a matte lipstick is clean and hydrate your lips so you don't get something like this, cracked or chapped lips. You can use a lip conditioner or lip balm of your preference so you work on smooth hydrated lips. I usually love to follow with a cotton cloth to wipe out excess. Of course, that's optional. So this is your glossy lipstick. You very much love the color but hate the fact that it is glossy. So you simply need powder. It may be a translucent powder, makeup powder, colored powder, baby powder, whatever powder of your choice. After applying your lipstick, take your finger, swirl it onto the powder, and then pat or press across your lips very gently so you create a... The secret and technique here is pressing this powder in so that it can absorb whatever is making the lipstick shimmer. So apart from a beautiful, comfortable matte finish, this technique will keep your lipstick from bleeding and wearing. Now this first option is my go-to because it's the most flexible and affordable for me. I have more control over it, though it slightly lightens the original shade of the lipstick, which is not a big deal for me anyway. Second option, you are going to need tissue, powder of your choice, and a makeup brush. Now some people are just comfortable with a tissue and no powder. The tissue has the ability to absorb the oil, the shimmer, the shine. But sometimes this may not give you enough matte finish, so you simply get some powder into your brush and then apply or dust it over the tissue in your lips, and then boom, complete matte finish. You can then go ahead and correct any mess with foundation. Third option, use a mattifying gel like Smashbox Lip Mattifying Gel, commonly known to instantly transform any cream lipstick into a matte finish. You can get this gel at Amazon. Check details in the description box to get one for yourself if you feel this option would be your favorite.